Okay, everyone, we are here again. This is Dozie. So in this video, I will be talking about the branches of philosophy. Yes, the branches of philosophy. I want to point out something worthy of note, that philosophy as an area of inquiry is built on three major pillars. Three pillars. One is reality, one is value, and the third is knowledge. Yes, value, reality, knowledge. These three forms the three major branches of philosophy. You know, oftentimes you see some textbook or literature trying to differentiate or tell you more than these three, right? But a good understanding will be a key to see how it flows, right? That the three of the branches of philosophy we're going to be talking about, all other branches are found under them. So let's go. So the first branch of philosophy is metaphysics, and that is the one that deals with reality, that first pillar. The second one is axiology, and that is the one that has to do with values. And the third one is epistemology, and that is the branch of philosophy that deals with knowledge. The branches of philosophy: metaphysics, axiology, epistemology. When we will explain them now, then you see other branches under them, in case peradventure you are asked of all other ones and how they correlate, and you will understand. So remember, it's an objective exam. So having said this, let's take them one after the other. Metaphysics. Meta meaning beyond, after, or transcending, right? The word meta is a Greek word meaning beyond, after, or transcending, anyone. So physics means physical. So the word means beyond physical, beyond the physical. This word was coined, although it was used to represent the works of Aristotle, but it was not coined by Aristotle. Aristotle had a lot of books on metaphysics, if we are to use that word for him, right? But he never used the word. It was a man, Andronicus of Rhodes. He was a librarian. He was a custodian of that library or books of Aristotle. So he was the one that arranged the books that is made up of physics, chemistry, all of those things one side, and after that he now arrange the other one that have to do with existence, reality, of your essence, of your empiricism, of your how do we know what we know, knowledge, your personality. So he was the one that now arranged this in this way, and he said, after these physical ones, read these ones. So these ones comes after the physical. So that's why he called these ones metaphysics, after the physical. So the word metaphysics is meaning beyond physical, so, or after the physical, right? So in this area of philosophy, this is the branch we discuss things like existence. How do we come here? What you know, not what you know this time. Our reality, the reality of existence. Who created us? You know a lot of theories of creationism, creationgenesis, a lot of them, catastrophism, that the thing bombed and the other one evolved, and all of those theories of creation, theories of evolution, theories of existence. It is here we talk about them under metaphysics. And under metaphysics, we have three major branches of metaphysics: ontology, cosmology, and cosmogony. Ontology, cosmology, and cosmogony. Ontology, the word onto, O-N-T-O, onto, is a Greek word meaning existence, while logos means logos, study, right? Study of existence. This is where you see people like Thomas Aquinas, Thomas Aquinas that called God a necessary being. They are the ones that talk about existence of God. Does God exist? How do we know? And all of those things. We are going to be talking about existence of God in later in problems of issues in philosophy, right? So these are where we talk about those things. How do we come to existence? Were we created, or were we evolving from a rat to rabbit to monkey to chimpanzee, Homo erectus, habilis, all of those things, sapien, right? All of those things. Is it creation, Genesis, or any other catastrophism that brought us here? How do we come to be? Ontology is interesting. Your existence, your essence, your person, what do you want to be, and what is your essence of being here? That is ontology in action. Then cosmology is talking about the existence of the universe beyond the earth, the solar system, the stellites, the meteors, the other galaxies, the Andromeda, which is the Andromeda, our Milky Way galaxy, all of those things. So this is where they talk about those things, the universe, cosmos. So cosmos meaning universe, while cosmogony means earth, study of the earth. Yes. So what constitutes the earth and everything is studied by cosmogony. So these are the three major branches under metaphysics. And the second branch, as I'm trying to put it under these three pillars, is axiology. The word axios means worth or value of something. So this scientific study of worth or value of something, right? So here is where we talk about ethics and aesthetics. Ethics, ethos, meaning conduct. This is where we talk about right or wrong. What is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, right? And this is scientific study of conduct norms, rules and regulations. Why is killing bad? Self-defense is good. All of those things. There are a lot of theories on that, but that is not what we're talking about today or here. Then the second one is aesthetics, A-E-S-T-H-E, right? You know the spelling, S-T-I-C, and S is aesthetics. So it's the scientific study of beauty. Beauty, yes. What is beauty, or what is beautiful, and what is ugly? Can we say something is beautiful as opposed to the other one? How can you say this is beautiful and that person is saying the other one is not beautiful? This is people that appreciate art appreciation. Those things you drew, those things you painted, they appreciate it, they evaluate it here, all of those things. So these are people that will tell you, this is where philosophers say beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You like it big, I like it slim. The other person like it tall, you like it short. Different strokes for different folks, right? Aesthetics is a branch of philosophy that take care of that. Yeah. The third aspect is epistemology, and the word episteme means logic. Sorry. Episteme means knowledge. Episteme means knowledge. And this is where we talk about what we know. How do we come to know what we know? And all of those things. These are places that theories like corresponding theory, coherent theory, pragmatic theory, even laws of truth, even logic. Logic is also a branch under epistemology. That is one branch under this epistemology, logic. They also talk about types of reasoning, right? Logic, logos, meaning discourse. Discourse about discourse. That is logic, right? So we'll discuss some other issues under them, but as a matter of fact, we have delineated the types of the branches of philosophy as we have it. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.